Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Dr. Fon from the F Company Pictures. Today I just want to show you how I did this simple Afro beat. I just want to start by playing the beat so that you can feel it for yourself before I can start reviewing the things I did to come out with this beat. Alright guys, that's it. So first thing I did, I first of all played the drums. I did a kick. Let me just put it on solo. It played like this. Okay. So secondly, I added the snare. I wanted to give that Afro vibes, that Afro feelings in the song, but I was trying to make it so simple. I did another second snare and it plays like this. It was just like kakak, you understand, that kind of a sweet kind of feelings, African vibes, yeah. And I put up a hi-hat that actually plays like this. Just something like that. I mean, I wanted it to be simple, you understand. Alright, secondly, I played a string, a very simple string with a very simple chord progression that plays like this. Alright, let me just up on it so that you can see yourself. A very simple chord progression. So the second thing I did, I actually played these bars. Yeah, just something simple, you understand what I'm saying? So later then I gave this guitar. I wanted to play a kind of guitar in the song, so I played something like this. Guys, that's what I'm saying, you know, that kind of a simple kind of Afro kind of vibes in an African look, you understand? So that is what I actually wanted for this particular beat. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So the next thing I did, I added a pluck hum. Yeah, the next thing I did was something like this. I first of all played it with the humming pluck, and now I play it again with a pluck, but now play with the high pluck. So if I double it, you're going to understand what I'm saying. This is not how it sounds normally, but it was after when I put this effect on it. So that's the normal way it sounds, but when I put the effects, it sounds like this. Well, that's not actually what I want to say on this particular tutorial. Maybe next time I'm going to make a tutorial how to mix all those instruments. So I played another melody like this. Yeah, that kind of a piccolo that gives that African color, that African vibes inside the Afro beat. That was actually what I wanted, and I wanted it to be that much simple. So if I play these three instruments, you're going to understand what I'm trying to say. This was the last instrument I played inside. It was actually a pluck, but it plays like this. Excuse me, let me just remove all the instruments. You should get it alone. This particular beat was made to an artist named Chabzi. Actually, he's a very good vocalist. I don't actually have his voice here because he also owns a studio. I was able to just do just the beat, and he did the recording in the studio. But I first of all created the beat with an example, yeah, before he got to love the beat, the vibes on the beat, yeah, something like that. Alright, so let me just play the general one.
Oh man, oh nana, yeah. Let me tell you what I'm feeling now. This is my story now. How long am I taking hour? Oh man, I'm taking hour. You got my sound on chilling now. Look at how I'm flexing now. Oh my God, don't feel it now. You don't feel like purpose now. If the money I get, I'm tired. Money come back, I'm there. Now my God don't give me I love Antini oh Lord have mercy when I get it up better. Oh my body now Havana. The one about canteen running Ghana. Feeling and speaking I'm learner. That's why I'm singing better. Get it the money gotta. Look into my things I gotta. Fed in my heat I better. Ada give my chara. Nobody give you my hada. Depend come I get it da bada. Look you money get da bada. Bada singing my song that feeling my music and yeah. Looking the times I feel it da. Money go nigga. I'm looking at my sintusa. Feeling at my rikuna. I depend on my key to that. Yeah. Money go nigga. I'm looking at my sintusa. Feeling at my rikuna. I depend on my key to that. Yeah. Let me tell you what I'm feeling now. This is my story now. How long am I taking hour? Oh man, I'm taking hour. You got my sound on chilling now. Look at how I'm flexing now. Oh my God, don't feel it now. You don't feel like purpose now. Everybody know chara. Get it money now chara. I sing him on a song chara. Only you know ya chara. Nobody know me chara. Get it money now chara. I sing him on a song chara. Only you know ya chara. That's why I'm singing better. Get it the money gotta. Look into my things I gotta. Fed in my heat I better. Ada give my chara. Nobody give you my hada. Depend come I get it da bada. Look you money get da bada. Singing my song that feeling my music and yeah. Looking the times I feel it da. If the money I get up money come back I'm there. Now my God don't give me I love Antini oh Lord have mercy when I get it up better. Oh my body now Havana. The one about canteen running Ghana. Feeling and speaking I'm learner.
Just a cool vibes like that, and our wonderful great artist Chabzi managed to love this track and he made it to his official album. So very soon we are going to have this beat out with the finalization of the recording. So stay tuned. So guys, thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to support the family. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any new video from this channel. Like the video, share the video,